The newer Chevy Silverado has a 12-volt power outlet on the dash, and from the factory, this outlet is always set to be powered on. In this video, we will show you how to change outlet power from always on to ignition controlled. So let's get started. Step 1. Make sure to turn off your car and park in a safe location. Step 2. To make outlet power from constant power to accessory power, you need to find the 50-amp fuse. In the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado, the fuse is located on the driver's side panel inside the truck. Just pull the cover off to expose the fuse. Step 3. After that, pull this 50-amp fuse and move it to the blank terminal on the left or toward the front of the truck and then reinsert it. Step 4. Now check your accessory power outlet is off unless the key is on. For Silverado 2019 and above, the method is the same, but the location of the fuse is different. So let's get it going! Step 1. Turn off your car and park in a safe location. Step 2. The next step is to find the 50-amp fuse on the passenger's side panel. Just pull the cover off to expose the fuse. And here's the fuse. Step 3. After that, pull that 50-amp fuse out and move it to the left so it uses the terminal that wasn't being used, then reinsert it. So that's it. All you have to do is move the fuse, and your power outlet will shut off when you turn the key off. Thanks for watching, and until next time.